So, good afternoon, Sir Widi. I am Gilbert.
I'm Sergio.
So, today we are going to sharing why everyone should try traveling alone at least once a time to build a self-confidence and resilience, experience deeper cultural immersion. Let's define it. Okay.
Okay, Gilbert. First, what is the topic?
So, the topic is solo travel.
Um, what is the issue or problem that author brings up for exposition text?
So the problem is that many people are hesitate or afraid to travel alone due to about loneliness and then safety and lack of independence in planning that because there is many people that hesitation and afraid because of that.
Okay. What is the author's thesis statement? Does he support or oppose the text?
So in the text, the author say people should try at least once to travel on their own. So it means the author clearly support the text that says solo travel has many benefits.
Okay. What is the author's claim for first argument? How is it connected to the text statement?
So solo travel with resilience and self-reliance. So it directly supports the thesis of the text that that has a powerful meaning that why people should travel alone. So it forced them to grow self-individual independent.
What is the author's reasoning for the claim? Does the reasoning support the claim and how?
So when traveling alone, people try to make all decision by himself or herself. So people meet the new people, new places, and then try to solve unexpected problem entirely on their own. So of course, yes, dealing with real life independent problem solving naturally with the resilience and self-reliance by herself, and it is said in the text by author claim.
What is the author's evidence for his claim and reasoning? Does the evidence support the claim and reasoning? How?
So a survey by showing that solo travel reported feeling more confident after successfully do it once because the traveler passed the challenge like transportation issue and then different language and then planning itinerary. So yes, it provides real world data by real data. So it's showing that overcoming exact solo travel hardness leads to measurable increased confidence and self-reliance. Okay, now let me ask you, Jalio. So, what is the author claim for his second argument and how it is connect to the thesis argument?
Okay. Solo travel encourages deeper cultural immersion.
Okay.
It offers another compelling benefit of traveling alone, reinforcing the idea that is a valuable experience people should try. Kata-kata gitu ya.
Okay, Jalio. Now let me ask you. So, what is the author claim for his second argument and how it is connect to the first thesis argument?
Okay, solo travel encourages deeper cultural immersion.
Of course.
It offers another compelling benefit of traveling alone, reinforcing the idea that is it a valuable experience people should try.
Okay, move to the second question. So, what is the author reasoning for the claim and Does the reasoning support the claim, and tell me how?
Unlike group travelers who tend to stay inside their familiar circles and stick to streets itineraries, solo travelers are more open and likely to interact with locals and explore hidden gems.
Oh,
Yes, by contrasting group dynamics with solo dynamics, it is logically explains how being alone forces a traveler to engage more deeply with the local environment.
okay, understand. Okay, move to the third question. So, what is the author evidence for his claim and reasoning? Does the evidence support the claim and reasoning? Tell me how.
Okay, the author explains group travelers by within familiar circles, while solo travelers engage with locals and try new things off the beaten path. Yes, it supports the point by illustrating the real world behavior of how traveling alone changes a person's interaction with a new culture.
Okay. Okay, for the last question,
Okay,
what does the conclusion and what is your recommendation, Sergio?
it restates that traveling alone is highly valuable because it builds confidence and fosters
Of course.
deeper cultural connections. It encourages people to overcome the initial daunting feeling solo travel because it offers unforgettable lessons and memories that positively shape one's outlook on life.
Okay, okay.
From me, my recommendation for viewers
For viewers.
is people are highly encouraged to overcome their initial fears of solo travel. Embracing this experience will reward you with valuable with lessons and positive, unforgettable memories.
Okay, that's all. Thank you.